What if you could check the temperature and humidity from your phone using just a tiny microcontroller and a Wi-Fi network? In this project, we are building a mini weather station that displays live sensor data on a sleek web page hosted right from the ESP32 itself. To bring this smart weather station to life, you will need one ESP32 dev port, one DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, jumper wires, one micro USB cable. Let's wire up the DHT11 sensor to the ESP32. Connect the signal pin of DHT11 to GPIO4. Connect VCC through 3.3V. Connect GND to GND. Double check your connections according to the circuit diagram before powering up. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code and library files you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE, otherwise download the Arduino IDE first. We include the Wi-Fi library to connect the ESP32 to Wi-Fi and simple DHT for reading temperature and humidity data from the DHT11 sensor. Replace your _SSID and your password with your actual Wi-Fi name and password. We are using GPIO4 to connect the DHT11 sensor signal pin. We create a web server object that listens for HTTP request on port 80, which is a default web port. This code connects to the Wi-Fi, print connection status in serial monitor and starts the server. Check if a new client is trying to connect. Read incoming data from the client line by line. If the request is valid, read temperature and humidity from the DHT level. This part generates a style HTML page showing temperature and humidity. If the sensor fails, it shows an error. After sending data, disconnect the client and wait for the next one. Final notes: use the IP address printed in the serial monitor to access the live sensor data from your browser. Customize HTML for your own style. You can add chart, graphs or dark mode, etc. Make sure the simple DHT library is installed in your Arduino IDE. That's it. Now we will upload the code to the ESP32. Plug your ESP32 into the computer using the USB cable. Select the correct port ESP32 dev module. Then go to the tools and select port where your ESP32 is connected. As for example COM4. Make sure to replace the Wi-Fi name and password here. Now click the upload button, the right facing arrow. If you see connecting and dots appear, just hold down the boot button until it starts uploading. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 115200. You will see messages like connecting to Wi-Fi ... and then Wi-Fi connected and the IP address will be displayed. Note down the IP address. Open your device's browser and type the IP address in the address bar in any web browser on the same Wi-Fi network. This IP is your gateway to access the live weather dashboard. When you open this IP in your browser, the ESP32, you will see a stunning weather dashboard displaying live values. Reads temperature and humidity data, displays values like temperature in Celsius and humidity in percentage. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such exciting DIY tech projects with Roboarmy.